Welcome back everyone to the channel. I'm Mike's Tech, and today I'm very happy to give you the first episode of restoring, building, or whatever you want to call it, building a computer. Finally, I've got a computer here to upgrade. We're going to be upgrading this computer, and we're going to be putting a new CPU, a new RAM, and we're also going to be putting a GPU in it, and also 2 hard drives, just to make sure everything is running butter smooth. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The truth. Alright, so what's this PC got so interesting? It is an LGA 775, so therefore we're going to be upgrading it today. We're going to be putting in a Q9400, so Q9400, a Core 2 quad, 2.66 gigahertz, 6 megabytes of L2 cache, I think. And yeah, it's LGA 775, so it's pretty old architecture. The motherboard's going to be stock motherboard, should run fine. We've given a BIOS update that worked out pretty well. We're obviously going to be upgrading the graphics card. This supports, x16 slots, so that's good. We're going to be putting a 6850 from AMD, a 1GB variant from Power Color. That should give us quite a bit of boost in power, and the rest. And we're also going to give it 4 extra gigs of RAM. That should come down to nothing, and then we're going to also be giving it 2 hard drives. I already had 1 hard drive, so just put in a 250GB hard drive. So overall, this PC in the end cost me only $80 to build. 35 for the whole computer shipped, 40 for the GPU, and the rest for the RAM and the hard drive. So that was pretty good. So yeah, let's get into building it. Let's go. So at the end of the day, what do I think about the PC? Well, in my opinion, it's an alright performing PC. It's not exactly the best thing possibly built for the money. You could probably get away with maybe an i3, i5 if you're lucky. Put maybe a HD 6950 and get a pretty good with PC maybe. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's alright. Fortnite was an absolute stuttery mess. I wouldn't recommend playing Fortnite on that. League of Legends worked fine. That game runs on everything. I also tested CSGO, but that was after I finished filming. That worked around about alright. But yeah, it's an alright PC, did what it has to do, but yeah, it's not a PC that's gonna last long. Like I said, LGA 775, unless you get extreme overclocks like 4 GHz, 4.5, they're not really worth it. I've got another PC coming up, which will be a Overwatch League of Legends, what's it called, sports game title. That'll run should be able to run most games fine. It's got a HD 6950 in it, so hopefully that will run fine. But like I said, I was able to get the CPU so far to 3.6 stable. So yeah, let's hope if that all runs well. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it's LGS 775 is dying, and that's the main holdback from the PC. But other than that, yeah, I mean, it worked fine, and yeah. So hopefully I sell it, should be good to go. Like always, thank you for watching. Alex Tech is out.